Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission at Physics Exam. And guys, this is going to be another video in the Sure Success series for the GATE 2023 exam. And the tips and tricks we are considering in these videos will be important and will be helping you in your GATE exam as well as CSR NET exam and other similar exams too. So if you have missed any of the videos in this series, you can check them out on the channel Mission at Physics Exam, as they will be helping you to get the concepts clearly and to know how you can relate them with the questions. Now let's continue the discussion. In today's video, I'll be discussing the important last minute tips for the upcoming exams. So these will be important tips for your GATE exam and for the other similar exams like CSR, NET exam and other exams too. So let's continue, but before starting the discussion, I'm going to show you the slides regarding the latest offers which are going on Unacademy. So this is the first one you can see here on the screen, as per which you can save 20% on CSR UGC NET subscription and get additional validity of 12 plus 3 and 6 plus 1 months. Also guys, this is just valid till 31st January, and to grab this offer you can use and apply the referral code that's Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Prices are rising by 10% on 1st February 2023, so you can take the subscription before that. Even in upcoming months, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting, even new batches will be starting, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. Also guys, what are the benefits you will get? All that has been shown here on the slide too, and more details are shown here on this slide. So I hope each and everything is clear to every one of you. Here we are going to have the slide regarding the Unacademy Plus, Iconic and the Lite subscription. Now even the notes are available on the learning app. So if you will take the Plus and the Iconic subscription, you will be able to take you will be able to check out these notes too, and you will be able to do the best preparation under the guidance of top educators, and all the benefits you will get have been shown here on the screen. Whenever you will be proceeding further to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code that's Anjali A Live to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Even you can let the your friends know about the latest offer which is going on right now, so that if they want to take the subscription, they can even take the subscription and can get the offer too. Now let's continue. So these are the last minute tips for GATE and CSR NET exam. So guys, these are some of the points which I'll be including here, which can help everyone a lot. Why? Because sometimes we focus on the discussion part, we focus on the topic completion, the syllabus completion, the questions, the concepts, the steps to solve the questions, the process, the facts, the tricks. But what about rest of the important tips? So that's what I'm going to cover here in this video today. So the first thing I would like to tell you is, because it's the online exam, which means it's CBT mode, computer based test, you should try to consider some of the mock test or practice test on computer before the exam if it is the first time for you, to get comfortable with the process and to know about that how the things work. Okay, there are so many practice tests you can have, or just in general you can just check out like what is going to be there in general, okay, to get the idea. Or if you're the one who is more confident and comfortable about this process, that's all right then. But if you will be checking out these things earlier, you will be 100% sure about how the things will be working and what you will have there, or the instructions which are given in the information bulletin of the exam. You can read them very well to know about the exam pattern and the process more better, like how CBT mode works. Okay, so this is what can help you. Next thing, that is, since you will have the virtual calculator in the exam, okay, which means like you should know how the virtual calculator works, how you can do the calculation in it, what are the functions you will have there, and how everything can be considered there, like the calculation part or all the features. Basically, if you will be familiar with it, it can make the things quite simple and easy for you to consider. Also guys, you get a rough like notepad where you can do your rough work. Okay, so how it is, having the clear idea about it, it's generally gonna have few pages. Or in CBT mode, in some of the CBT mode exams, we also get the A4 size plain sheets, okay, so where we need to do the rough work. But In some of the exams we get those notepads, okay, where we can just do our rough work and we can just have more space too on different pages. So this is how you will be doing your rough work to have that idea can even help you. Next thing is the duration of the exam. It should be clear to you, okay, because it's important to have the clear idea. Sometimes if you are going to attempt any exam for the first time, you may not have the clear idea about these things. So to get that idea, this is what you can do. Now next is going to be, along with the duration of the exam, you can consider let's say that what is the negative marking in each and every section. While they are also in the main exam, at that point of time you should focus on this part, that what are the instructions given, in which section how much is the negative marking, which one is the MCQ type question and which is the MSQ type question, so that you will have the idea that what you have to do and which one is anything. Like even when you read that you get to know, but still reading the instructions carefully is very much important in the exam. Now this was about the exam, okay, and now how to stay focused all the time, because it's a long time when you will be sitting there, when you will be trying to solve the questions. If you will keep on working on the questions, you will find like it doesn't seem to be that much time, okay. It sometimes looks like we are having less time and we need more to work on more questions. So it just depends that how we are dealing with the situation. Some of the students will find like, oh, this was very less time for us to work on all the questions or the questions we had in the exam. Some of the students will feel like, oh, we had enough time because we have completed our work earlier. Some of the students will feel like it was much more for them. So depending on how you're dealing with the situation, how much you know, you will be finding that in that particular way. Now, how to stay focused for a longer time? It's even the point of discussion because it's important for you to know. See, once you focus on the instructions, you read everything, and since it is the CBT mode exam, if in case there is going to be any such situation that system is not working properly, your chair setup and the table setup is not properly arranged, or there is some issue with it, so you can inform the instruction inform the invigilators, okay, about it. Or after reading the instructions you will have the information about the exam and everything, so you can inform whoever will be there, the invigilator, so that they will be able to help you in that case if your system is not working properly or the arrangement is not proper for you, okay. So whatever is the issue, let the invigilator know about it. One more thing, that let's say you have started solving your exam, okay, you worked on the questions, and in between the system stopped working properly or some issue is there. At the same time, don't get panic, it's online. If even it is stopped somewhere, I think it will be starting say at the same time if it has paused or not working, okay. So you can let the invigilator know about it and they will be working on that part. They will be just solving your problem, so don't worry, don't get panic at that moment, okay. Now next thing, how to stay focused. Stop worrying about what the student sitting nearby you is doing. Stop looking at here and there too much. Focus more on your questions, okay. Think if there is any question, did you study something related to it? If you are not directly able to relate the concepts with that question, so see, at that point of time, in that much duration when you are sitting there in the exam hall, you need to have the confidence that till now whatever you have done, it was the 100% from your side. Whatever time you were about to give to the preparation, you have devoted for your preparation, it was your 100%. And now this is the time when you have to give your 100% in this much time so that your results can get better. So that day if you will understand this point, okay, excuse me, it will be making you feel more confident as well as to stay more focused, because you know those 3 hours can help you to have better result, or if you will not be staying focused, it can change it too. So the point is, stop worrying about anything at that moment, the result or anything else. No, you don't have to worry about those things. That is the time when you need to completely stay focused on what you are doing, and what you know you can just relate it with the questions you will have and try to solve those questions. So that will be the power of staying focused in that much duration in your exam, okay, which can give you a very good result. At the same time, guys, when you will get your admit card, what you have to do, you need to read the instructions mentioned there very well, that what you can carry with you, what you can't carry with you, what will be the situation in the exam hall, when is the entry time, when you can enter. Okay, so everything you need to know, so stay focused on that part too. Also, whatever mistakes you were making generally when doing the preparation for the exam, in the last few days before the exam, focus more on that part, practice such type of questions, practice more and more, revise more and more. It will be helping you a lot. So this is how the things can be considered. I hope each and everything we have talked about is gonna be helpful. And if in case if you will have any other question at that point of time when you are sitting in the exam hall and you want to ask something to someone, like so invigilators will be there, you can ask them about your questions or the doubts you will have. They will be surely helping you. So these were some of the important tips and tricks, guys, which can help you a lot to do good in your upcoming exam, and I hope each and everything is now clear to you. Also guys, regarding the latest offer which is going on right now on Unacademy, all the details have been shown here on the slide. You can have a look at them and you can proceed further to take the subscription when the offer is going on, before the price rise will be taking place. Also, if you're going to share this information with your friends regarding the offer, you can let them know about the referral code, that's Anjali Alive, as mentioned here on the screen, to grab the discount in the total subscription amount. One more thing guys, that in upcoming days so many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss them, you can take the subscription. The offer is just valid till 31st January. The next thing is, if you find these videos in the Sure Success series for the GATE exam helpful, so you can share these videos with your friends too, those who are doing the preparation for the upcoming exam. I hope these videos will be helping them as well. Let's keep it this much right now in this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.